What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. Today I am in the Container Store because I've been seeing it going around on YouTube a lot. So I am in here.
Oh, they got bags.
I know. I don't want to get copyrighted. And we got King some baby hangers.
That's what this.
Oh yeah. So guys, that was the end of the vlog, y'all. I had to definitely come into the Container Store because they have some good stuff, and I've been seeing it trending on YouTube. So I definitely wanted to come out here. My face, y'all, that color is it was so light, but I definitely want to come out here and check it out. And they are not pricey at all. Like, it was cheap. It was, I'm trying to get the keys. It was not pricey at all, y'all. It was pretty cheap. And I like it, and I'm coming back because if y'all have saw my closet, y'all, I have so many shoes. Container Store. But y'all have so many shoes, so yeah. I need like a lot of shoe things, and the shoe thing that I have is $20 in a box for just $50, $49.99, $49.99. So I am trying to get it here. Oh Lord, my baby is hurting. It's time to take in the house. Yeah. They dress so weird. They dress weird in that rain. That's a big old bag. I don't know what that bag was, but it looked expensive. But y'all, this was the end of our vlog or whatever, and we about to go home. And I guess it ain't the end of my vlog. I guess I'm gonna go home and show y'all how I'm gonna maneuver these shoes. I'm trying to wait till she open that door. Come on, baby. Maneuver these shoes inside these boxes, so stay tuned. We done made it home, y'all. They haven't got the furniture shopping here yet, but this is the progress. Everything, King bottles, and we getting everything situated in and out. Turn around. The office still have to get unpacked and things in that nature. Y'all look. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I organize these. Y'all, we still unpacking, so don't take it there. And I gotta get the TV on the wall, so now it's just sitting right there, y'all. We gotta unpack those boxes, this box, that box. All this stuff then wasted out. We gotta put these on the back porch. Okay, y'all, so as you walk into my restaurant, I done did a little bit of decorating. I'm gonna put those up right there. Those two things that's sitting on the side, because those is basically candle holders, but they gonna get painted black. Also, those plants over there, they gonna be getting painted black also. And I did a little decorating. Let me put this box down here. I did a little decorating there. Y'all, I ain't never seen nobody put like pictures hanging up in their tub, so let me be the first. And then I got, you know, the little decorations I took in my living room area at the other place. And so far, I haven't hung up all my clothes, but you know, got all my luxury boxes up there. And then I have the long shirts here, short shirts here, pants here, Nikes there, Pumas and Vans there, all high heels over here. And then I got the pants here, purses and bags over here, or whatever. I haven't put all my purses up yet. And then over here is long dresses. Back there is the jackets and coats. Down there it'll be skirts. So I'm gonna take y'all back out here. Oh, back here, tissue, and then up there, all this. I haven't put all the stuff up there yet, but if y'all keep watching, hit that ring-a-ding-a-ding bell or whatever, and y'all would know all of the upcoming videos in the unfurnished house tour. But I'm doing one by one, so I'm starting off with my bathroom and my closet first or whatever. So as you come out here, hold on. Okay, so when you come out here, y'all see that I got all these clothes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 baskets of clothes still to hang up or whatever, and a bag right there. And then I have all these shoes, y'all. I have this box of shoes, and then it's a box of shoes and heels underneath there, as you can see. But yeah, so I gotta get my bed off in here, so y'all can just follow me. Yeah, so follow me with this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to these videos. Don't forget to hit that ring-a-ding-ding-ding-ding bell, okay? So y'all can know what all the new videos when they upload and when they're posted. You feel me? So I'm about to put these shoes up in this shoebox, and y'all gonna see me how I do it. And that's on what? That's on period. Y'all, I still gotta go get this hair done, y'all. It is kicked, girl. Look, it is, y'all, because I cut it all off last year. So this is how it grew back. It's like natural. I need to go, girl. Oh Lord, where's the hair people? Where's the hair people? Okay, so let me get to these shoes, y'all. Aftermath. All these right here is my heels. Those are the heels that didn't have boxes to it. So those are my heels and the shoe containers. And then those are my Vans and my Pumas and my Nikes. Okay. And then, come on, get clear. And then here is all my shoes that didn't have shoe containers to them that I had. Okay, yeah. I had to make it clear. Okay, these are my shoes that didn't have shoe containers shoe boxes to them. So I had to make that clear. Nike shoe boxes and stuff like that. Pumas, y'all saw that. And so that's the aftermath to that. Got to get more shoes, honey. Got to get more shoes. That is not enough for me, you guys. I need more. All this right here, I'm talking about at the beginning, in the middle, by my birthday, before June, all this right here is going to go all the way. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's going to go all the way down there. Yes, buddy, because your girl loves some shoes and clothes. Y'all know I got to hang up more clothes and stuff. I got to put the rest of my purses up there. Rest of my boxes up there. So, yeah, y'all stick with me, y'all, through this journey. Yeah, so your girl is about to end this vlog or whatever. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and tell me what y'all want to see next. DM me on all my social media. Go follow your girl on social media. My link will be down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So, and tell me what y'all want me to do next or whatever. Like I said, the Furnish House tour is coming up. Y'all don't rush me. It's coming. It's just one me or whatever. So I'm just gonna be doing some little vlogs just to keep it consistent on here. And yeah, I gotta get my bed and stuff for my room. I got my picture over there. So yeah, as y'all can see, my bathroom is gonna be pink and black. Y'all know I just told y'all with those. And then these little thingy things right here, my candle holders. All those right there is gonna get painted black because it's gonna be pink, black, and gold. Yes. So I'm kind of doing a little elegant, little grown folk. You gotta be 25 and up type shit. No, I'm just playing, y'all. But I'm doing a little grown folk, little elegant, type of vibe, y'all, because it's something different. It's something new for me, y'all. I got story times coming. I got a whole bunch of ideas coming. More shopping vlogs coming. So like I said, y'all, if y'all want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Show your girl some love. Show me some hearts down below. Thank y'all for the welcome back comments, y'all, because y'all been going through. But I'm gonna tell y'all in another video, I'm gonna tell y'all what I've been going through, because life has treated me so bad. Nah, okay, well, life been treating me bad, but you know what? Through the grace of God and through the faith and through everything that we step on and we walk on, you feel me? God has been blessing me back to back to back to back, and I am so grateful, y'all. So y'all know what to do. Hit that button, and your girl is out.